Meaning of housing estate.
Housing estate.
Housing estate.
Housing estate.
Housing estate. A housing estate is a large area of land that is developed to accommodate multiple residential buildings, typically consisting of apartments or houses built close together with shared amenities such as parks, playgrounds, and shopping centers. Housing estates are usually designed to provide affordable housing for a large number of people, and their construction is often initiated by housing authorities or private developers in response to the growing need for housing in urban areas. These estates are frequently characterized by their modern architecture and high population density, offering convenient access to public transportation and other urban amenities.